friends. So நம்ம இந்த ஒரு அப்ளிகேஷனை பற்றி the application which we are going to see is simple teleprompter. So in Play Store it is it will be downloaded free of cost easily. Just you can download the application, and if you have any document which you want to convey in your video, just to recall, you can convert that as a PDF, and by clicking on create new document, and it will ask for would you like to import the text from a document, like the document can be image or PDF or anything. If you give yes, you will be able to upload that which is there in your mobile. If you give no, it will ask for the document which you are going to create right now. So let me for this you can give a document name which is like training on video. So that is my title, and here I am typing something like training video Tamila Academy Sivakasi. So this is like some content which I want to talk in my presentation, and I can give some like a hints making, or I can give a whole statement also as per my wish. So let me give some more content so that you can see. So like that I have given some content. So now I'm just going to give start, save and start. So it will be looking like this big concept, and here we are having countdown from some numbers, and automatically it will be scrolling up. So it will be easy for us to see the content which we are going to talk, and we can easily use that. So there are some settings over here. In the settings, this mirror the text, this option you can select if you are using this particular device itself is in your mirror, and if you are using that in some place where you want the content to be in the mirror, if you can select that. As I am using another device, I don't need to go for mirror, so simply I can uncheck it. And font size depend upon the length, wherever you are having your device, you can keep the font like this. So whatever you are selecting, like that also that number will be changing. And font also you can able to select. Line spacing, you know about line spacing. So if you give some high number, it will be a huge gap between one alphabet and another alphabet. And some other main option which you need to know is delay. In delay, if you have, it will be maximum of only 10 seconds. So if you have some 6 seconds in the first screen, when I had 6 seconds, the first screen some 6 word will be display first, and after the counter of 6 to 0, it will be going for next screen. Like that it will keep on moving. If you don't want any delay, you just go for 1 second. Within a second it will be keep on scrolling like news readers, what news readers used to do. So that's all. This countdown, if this checkbox is ticked in, it will be showing the countdown, or else it will be automatically scrolling without displaying. That is what this application. Try to use this application for your own purpose. Here is the counter it is displaying. Thank you all.